Green light, go. Alright, we'll record a little bit more here. Even though I'm slipping, sliding all over. Be alright. Just go slow and steady. Watch out for anything that looks like a dry patch, because there is no dry patches. That's a spot of ice, or you might catch quick acceleration, and when you come out the other end of that said dry spot, you'll be sliding a little bit. So, driving in the snow 101, folks. And this is no fun, just to say the least. I wish I was in my car. I'd feel a little bit better about it. Just because if there is something goes awry, I'd be in my car, right? But so now I'm a double whammy. I gotta be careful with my girl's car, and I gotta be careful with myself. But luckily, my work is literally a straight shot down this, what should be a main thoroughfare, but let me tell you, it is packed down, which probably makes it a little worse. And it is not cleared by any means. I'm doing just under 30, and I'm still getting a little squirrely here and there. And normally this is a 50 to 45 mile an hour road. So actually Old Highway 77. But it is what it is. As long as I take it easy, I will get there. I'm sure they'll understand if I'm a little bit late, but I'm having to go even a little bit slower than I thought I was going to. I thought I might have been able to do 35-40 the whole way, but such is not the case, and I gotta hold it steady. Luckily, her, what is it again? Arm, can't remember the name of it now, but they're extra tight, so she got super tight suspension, so that kind of helps a little bit. But it's still all over the place. These little bitty tires are not wanting to do this. I don't know how it's going to be when I try and go out the country and feed the chickens. That is yet to be seen, as they say. Only time will tell. So, but I'm sure I will shoot another little video of that, of me running out there. Might as well get as much of these little snow videos made as possible and share with everybody. Let's see, let me get up here to a clear patch in the windshield. You see, there's a little red dirt on the road, but actually that ain't red dirt. It's a little red snow on the road. I'm telling you, this little car is squirrely. This one kind of short. I'm running to about maybe 5 minutes, I guess. Because once I get into town, I can't be just recording. I gotta make sure I ain't slip sliding around by other folks. You know what they say, you can be as careful as you want, but it's that other person. So I'm gonna watch out for the other person, and I don't want to be that other person. So, that being said, on the downhill slide here, and that's how I mean it like that, not the downhill side, the downhill slide, which is going to make it kind of interesting on the uphill climb. I don't want an uphill slide. Love that crunching sound of them windshield wipers. Isn't that grand? I knocked them off a little bit, but I don't know what the temperature is. I didn't check it, but the low's supposed to be 17. So obviously, if you can imagine, it freezes as soon as it's coming down. So yeah, this snow gonna stick around for a bit. All right. I'm at the top of the hill, and then on the downhill side is going into town. Good old Noble, Oklahoma, folks. Little small town here. And luckily there ain't but about 2 people on the road. And I am foot off the gas and just let it go. If I need to, tap the brakes a little bit, but we're just gonna ride this puppy on out. I'm gonna let these big wheel trucks get out ahead of me. But so alright. As I like to say in the end, y'all, deuces. And I can't throw them up, so I'm keeping one hand on the wheel. Alright. Later, y'all.